Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are in Riding Mountain National Park and we are doing an 18-kilometer hike, hopefully going to Gray Owl's cabin, which I'm probably not. Wait, oh, I think I got it. We're going up there. But first, we are going somewhere. Okay, here. No, I'm going the wrong way. We're going there to go find some geocaches because there's a bunch along the trail. So we made it to the Gray Owl cabin. There are no geocaches here, but it was a really awesome hike. Alright, so we made it back to the parking lot, but here's our problem. We finished the 18-kilometer hike, or the 18 some odd kilometer hike, but we're here. And we hiked here and here, and then we went all the way to the end. And then we came all the way back. But the geocaches are actually placed along this trail here. So when we did it, we didn't do this section. And there's 2 geocaches there. So although we've already done the 18 kilometers, we still have to do, wrong way, it sucks doing it backwards. We still have to go here and do that section so that we can get the last 2 geocaches. So let's go. Okay, 1 out of 2. We got 1 more left to go on this trail. Then we'll be done. Last one. Found it. We made it. Now just to make it back to the vehicle. I'm so happy. I see it. I see the vehicle. We're all done. We might maybe stop for 1 more, but only if it's a park and grab. Otherwise, it can stay for another trip. So we'll see. All right, so I found the last one. I've cleared out this part of the area. Gorgeous view. Absolutely gorgeous to end off a perfect day. There's a lot of kilometers. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time.